So today I will be making celery drink. So here is the celery, lovely and fresh. And the benefits of celery are that it can reduce a high blood pressure, and it also is filled with potassium, and it's really good for your immune system, with the added benefit of vitamin C. So I've washed my celery and now I'm just going to cut it up into pieces. Be careful with the knife and chop away from it. So these are the ingredients right here, all diced up. And of course the key ingredient, celery, with some added ingredients of ginger right here and some lemon, just to give it a bit more of a kick. So I'll be blending that, and if you aren't satisfied with the taste, you can always add some honey right here. So just adding my ingredients into the smoothie cup. Now I'm just going to add that into the cup. Here I'm just dicing some apples, and this is optional. So now I've added some apples, I'm just going to add some chopped ginger and then also some lemon in there also. This is the finished result. So this is my celery and apple juice drink, and it's brilliant for the mornings, and I hope you enjoyed watching, and will definitely give this recipe a go yourself. Cheers! This right here is my celery drink. It's delicious.